stop playing with him.
Jdavinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his Oh my God.
Today we're gonna do a festival Coachella-y inspired makeup look. I'm super excited because I've never been to a festival, but this is definitely how I would wear my makeup if I were to go to one. So yeah, what I'm gonna first start off with, I'm gonna do my base first, as in my face, because yeah, I wanna make sure that's slayed before I get to the eyes, because the eyes, the cheeks, it's really bold and dramatic. So we're gonna do our face first, and to make sure our makeup lasts all day, I'm gonna go in with my Lorac Take a Brow. I always use this. This is literally my favorite eyebrow kit of all times. Yeah, so I've never been to a festival, so if you've gone to a festival before, what's your favorite one? Which one should I actually go to? Because I would love to go, but I'm lining my brows because I don't like to get my eyebrows done, and this helps. Y'all gonna see. We're gonna go from this to actually first. I'm gonna use a full coverage foundation because I want it to last all day. I want to look great in pictures. You know, it's a festival, so I'm sure we're gonna be taking lots of photos. So I'm gonna put my most full coverage foundations on. Then I'm gonna go in with, I'll use Fenty Beauty on the outside of my face. My stuff isn't really like full coverage, so unfortunately I'm gonna have to go on top with NARS. I'm gonna be full coverage. My makeup is going to last all day. You know, we're not gonna have no type of problems. I don't know why this beauty blender gives me such a hard time. Rihanna's foundation is like a liquid to powder, so nothing wrong with it. It's kind of actually good for Coachella, but I'm looking for more of a full coverage, so I'm going with NARS because it's just gonna equal it all out for me. And I'm just supposed to focus it on the outer half. Actually, now that this base is done, now we're gonna start on our eye makeup. Just so if we have any fallout, we can clean it up with the concealer. Let's prime our lids, and to prime our lids, we're gonna just take our ginger, same concealer that we used. And I normally don't put on, you know, eye base. But since this is a festival and we want it to last all night, we're going to. It's damp for us, dry, you know, and the base is ready. Start off by using my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I think I want to start off by adding like my highlight shade to my outer corners, and I'm going to use this light shade right here first. So after we have that white shade set, what we're gonna use, we're gonna go in with this yellow shade she has in her palette. Then I'm gonna just go in like in kind of triangle-y motion. You guys see the area I'm placing it? So I'm just wiping this back and forth, kind of back and forth, and then in like swooshly windshield, kind of like that. So once you have this to your liking, so I think I'm gonna go in with this orange shade out of the Morphe palette, kind of go right over that yellow shade I just put down. We're gonna go back in with our Jaclyn Hill palette. This little, I don't know what color this is, but we're gonna use it. I'm gonna use custard. This is the lightest one I have. And I'm gonna just do like a half a cut crease. See, I'm gonna set this with some setting powder. So for the shimmer, I think I want to use Primavera in Bermuda. So we're gonna first go in with Primavera from the Modern Renaissance palette. Then we're gonna go on top with the Vermeer, which is still in the same palette, but it's like the more purpler shimmer. Because I'm not really digging that. So we're gonna go in with our Jaclyn Hill palette. I think I might go in with this one right here. The Jaclyn Hill, where I had just dabbed that other one. So I wanted it more like, or let's go with this one right here. This is a better color right here. And I am experiencing extreme fallout. So we're gonna add this coppery color to the outer. Okay, after this, I'm gonna go in with this dark brown shade. Alright, so you guys can see the fallout on my eyes, but I'm currently just going in with this brown shade to deepen the crease area. So I'm gonna actually go in with Artist Couture Illuminati because it's like way more sparkle. And I'm gonna add that just to make it that more. What I wanna do next is add a little white line. Alright, so I don't like how far I pushed that. It's actually gonna flick off, so I'll just give it a few seconds. Kat Von D, Pink Opal, and then I'm gonna add this into this area right here. Yeah, just, it's all coming together. We're already looking cute. Now let's contour our face. Alright, so now we're going to go in with our MAC brush and just blend everything out. And we will have to partially bake our under eyes because, you know, we're going to a festival and 9 times out of 10 we're gonna be dancing and stuff, so we want our makeup to last all day long. Okay, I might have to blend it out with my finger. I'm going to lightly set my under eyes. Okay. Then we're gonna just lightly set the rest of our face with this powder. Okay, so another powder that I like to use on my face is my Cover FX powder, just because I like full coverage. You don't really have to go with this step if you don't want to. And I'm gonna go in with my Cover FX powder from the drugstore. I love this palette. I always use this palette, and I'm gonna overly contour. Well, overly bronze. Like, this is Coachella. I don't care. You're gonna see that I'm snatched from a mile away. We're gonna use Venetian Red to kind of give ourselves a little highlighted blush on the side of our face. Well, first we're gonna go in with Love Letter. Add that to our corners. All right, so for the hustler, baby, now we're gonna add our nose highlight. Then we gotta add our lashes and see if we wanna add little white accessory dots to our face. All right, so now that I've got this little dotty here, one of these dots, rhinestones from Michaels. So you got a little crystal, got our dot, cute. So we could put like some white dots to enhance mess this makeup look, we could either, and mind you, I wasn't really feeling the, messed up line. I'd rather it be one whole solid line.
Come on, come on.
So this is the final look. This is a look perfect for Coachella. Anything really. I hope you guys love this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
With me in this bitch, huh?